In this question, you have to identify the mismatch pair. Option A, protists is to eukaryotes. This is true because protists are eukaryotic organisms having a well-defined membrane-bound nucleus and membrane-bound organelles as well. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option B, methanogens is to prokaryotes. Now, this is also true because methanogens are archaea, which is a group of prokaryotes that produce methane as a metabolic byproduct. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option C, gas vacuoles is to green bacteria. This is also true because gas vacuoles are found in green bacteria and other photosynthetic prokaryotes that helps in maintaining the buoyancy for optimal light capture. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option D, large central vacuoles is to animal cells. Now, this is not true because large central vacuoles are characteristic of plant cells and not animal cells. Animal cells may have small scattered vacuoles. Thus, it is the correct option.